These are the most dangerous fishes in the world. Number 1, Goliath tigerfish. This terrifying creature has jaws so powerful they can break human bones with ease. But the way it hunts is even more terrifying. It senses the vibrations in the water and then strikes with missile-like precision. In fact, it's been known to take down small crocodiles. Number 2, swordfish. One of the fastest fishes in the ocean, with speeds ranging from 96 to 128 kilometers per hour. When this predator charges forward with its sharp sword-like snout, you can only imagine the destruction it leaves behind.